goes. That's it. Through. You can tell how it feels, huh? When you get through. That's nice how that bolts to the wall, though. If you had to hold that, fucking kill your back.
Oh, yeah.
Plus, it could twist on you, huh? And fucking spin you in circles. Bolts right to the wall. Alright. Plumbing hole for Mr. Tim, Coastal Plumbing. Tim Nelson. #1 plumber in South Florida. Well, south, east, west, north. All right, we're ready for Tim on Monday. Plumber, where are you? Fishing? It's a pretty morning.